Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be revealing the Oreo cookie trick that you see all over the internet. How cool is that? With the Oreo cookie, as you see, it doesn't actually say Oreo on it because it's a fake Oreo. It's actually, I think it's like rubber. I think it's like a rubber cookie. And so, it looks like it's all together, but there's actually, right here, a little crease. That breaks it apart just like that. And then you hold it with your thumb, and then you just let go. So you grab it back, use your thumb, hold it, looks like you bit it, and then, so when you go to bite it, you use your finger right here, and when you go to bite it, you're just doing this. You're just pushing it back, just like this. What you want to do once you've had it bitten, and you push it back, and you bite it, or pretend to eat it, with your thumb in the back, you want you to grab the other half and push it down, just like this. So it's like this. And then you grab your thumb, push it back. All you do is let go of the back with your thumb, just like this. And the rubber bands inside the fake cookie will just bring it back, just like this. So because there's rubber bands on it, holding in the back and then letting it go just makes it come back, just like that. So really slow, it should look like this. Really fast, it should look like just like that. How cool is that? I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.